download an app? Well, as always, I am here to help you. So grab your iPad as we continue our journey to get comfortable and confident in using an iPad, specifically how to download an app. Let's go. So the App Store is a shopping street for apps. Many apps are free and there are apps that you pay for. How can I find it on my iPad? How do I download an app? Okay, grab your iPad and let's give it a whiz. So, to download an app, first of all, you'll need to find the App Store. Use your finger and scroll to the right and the left of the screen until you find the App Store, which is this one. I put the logo by the side on the screen. Once you've found it, tap it once. This is the App Store. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a number of smaller icons. If you tap on the magnifying glass which says search, this screen will appear and you'll see there's a greyed box at the top. This is where you type in what you're looking for. So tap the grey box and write in what you're looking for. You may know the name of a specific app like Zoom or BBC, or have a general idea of an app that you're looking for. For example, an app that identifies local museums and art galleries. If you know the name of the app, type that in the greyed box. If you don't know the name of the app, enter some general details, some keywords, and the App Store will identify a number of apps for you to select from. I'm going to look for a cooking app. Once I've tapped, a keyboard will appear at the bottom of the screen. Use the keyboard to type in exactly what you're looking for. So I'm going to type in cooking. And then a blue box will be highlighted at the side of the keyboard. This one just here. Tap that box just once. And here are a number of apps which are related to what I've searched for. Scroll through them until you find one which you were looking for. I'm looking for one with recipes, so this one looks good. I'll tap it once. I recommend having a read through of this information. Have a look at the reviews and have a look at the app description. Does it match and meet your requirements? This looks good. I'm going to get it. So I'll press get. And now this box will ask me to enter my password or to enter my Touch ID. And this is where we use a fingerprint to download an app and to prove our identity. I'm happy with this app. I'll go ahead. So I'll Touch ID this and the app will start to download. While it's downloading, this small circle will appear. Once that's fully complete, it will change to open. Press open to open the app. And well done, you have now downloaded an app.